Hello students, in the last session we created the frame and we nested the frame with columns and the rows. In today's class we shall learn how to hyperlink the frames, that is one column and another column, and we will link different web pages that are residing in the different columns. So creating hyperlink in frames. So creating, how to create, for example, if I take a frame like this and I have the column, so this is the frame 1 and this is the frame 2. So how to hyperlink the frames is, if I give a text here and the related click here is a text, so which is residing in the HTML page frame1.html. Then we have another HTML file known as frame2.html. So this contains a text known as, this is frame2.html. Welcome to frames. Okay, so when page is loaded, frame 1 will have the text of this one and frame 2 will be empty. What we are going to learn today is, when click here is clicked, the content of the frame2.html will be displayed in this column. So we shall know how to create that one in today's class. Okay, so as I have already told, we will use the frame set and the frame tag. So for this we need files, that is frame.html, which contains the frame set and the frame tag, and two normal HTMLs, that is frame1.html and frame2.html. So frame2.html contains the text, whereas frame1.html contains the hyperlink for the frame 2. Okay, so we shall know how to create that one. For this we use the frame1.html. In frame1.html, within the body tag, I shall create an anchor tag with the reference to frame2.html. Okay, so next is in the frame.html, what I have to do here, I'll write frame set, I'll create two columns as I've given in the last example. Frame source frame1.html, and we'll give along with this a name to this frame. Another frame for second column, and name for this frame and close the frame set tag. Okay, so what is the thing is, we have given name for both the frames. Now how do you use this frame is, I'll go for the frame1.html. In this I have already used the anchor tag. Anchor tag to the frame2, where I have to display this target or this frame is in the second frame that I have created in this frame.html. From this frame I have to target to this one. So I'll give or use an attribute known as target. So this target will target to the frame which must display the text in the second column. So here I want to display the content in the second frame. So I'll give the name frame2 in the target. Okay, so this is how you can hyperlink two frames with different web pages. Okay, so this is the example for the linking of the frames with other frame. If you summarize the points which are needed for creating the frames is, hyperlink is, one is name the frames. First step is name the frames in frame tag. Second step is hyperlink, use the anchor tag. Use the anchor tag in web page of another frame. And third step is use the name of the frame in the target attribute of the anchor tag. Okay, these are the 3 important steps that will help to create hyperlink from one frame to another frame.